In this short video, we'll show you the features of the Logiq S8 XDclear. The Logiq S8 is part of our signature series platform with a range of XDclear probes for a variety of clinical applications. The Logiq S8 has a 22-inch OLED monitor, 10-inch touch panel and an integrated gel warmer. The system has a simplified workflow scalable to your needs. Ergonomics of the Logiq S8 allows us to move the console up and down, independent of the monitor, as well as moving the console from left to right. With an extended battery, we can scan for 1 hour offline, allowing it to be portable and versatile for ward work, with the flexibility of wireless connectivity. So now let's move to some scanning. We're now scanning the abdomen using the XDclear C1 to 6 transducer. We can see excellent near to far field resolution and image uniformity throughout the liver parenchyma. We have a number of image optimization tools to help enhance image quality, improving contrast resolution, border definition and signal to noise ratio. Now we're going to move to the colour flow modes. Looking at the hepatic veins, we can see good colour filling and good sensitivity. Switching on the pulse Doppler mode, we can see clarity on the spectral trace. Now we've selected Power Doppler with even further sensitivity. We can see the vessels in the anterior surface of the liver. We've now added B-flow. B-flow is looking at the hemodynamics of the blood flow and is a 2D technique. This gives no region of interest, higher frame rates and no vessel wall overwriting. We have the facility to perform shear wave on the Logiq S8 with both single and multiple measurements, as well as the ability to display in both meters per second and kilopascals. The shear wave cutoff values can be used for both the Logiq S8 and the Logiq S7. Here we've activated the shear wave and selected multiple. On rested inspiration, we've selected start and we can capture multiple frames. Automated measurements aid a simplified workflow and we can take multiple measurements on one cine loop. Moving to the right kidney, we've now activated colour. Look at the sensitivity with minimal flash artifacts, and we can see the vessels right out to the renal capsule. Now we're going to look at the 9L transducer in the carotid. We can see the B-mode image quality, the contrast resolution, and how clean the vessel is seen in B-mode imaging. Now we've added B-flow. Now we've moved to dual view with the fundamental image on the left and the B-flow image on the right, both simultaneously. Now we've acted B-flow colour to see some smaller vessels. Our raw data feature is across all our product portfolio, where we can bring up an archived image, remove the colour, manipulate the image, take a measurement, add a comment and resave. Let's now move to the ML6-15 and scan the thyroid gland. The ML6-15 is our high-frequency matrix array transducer with rows and columns of crystals, allowing us to focus in both the fundamental plane as well as the elevational plane, thus allowing near to far field resolution with no focal banding. Using virtual convex allows us 20% greater field of view, and this allows us to see structures wider than the transducer face. Activating Power Doppler shows us minimal motion artifact and excellent sensitivity. We can also activate virtual convex in Power Doppler. Still using the ML6-15, we're going to scan the carpal tunnel. We can see the image uniformity from near to far field and good spatial resolution. Using Logiq View allows us to build up a series of images along the structure scanned. This is very easy to perform. Lastly, we're moving to the hockey stick probe, the L8 to 18i. We're going to move to the finger to see the flexor tendon and to see the detail in the tendon fibres. Now we're scanning the nail and we're going to look at the colour sensitivity in the nail bed. The Logiq S8 XDclear has a full scalability of advanced features to meet your needs, including contrast, shear wave, strain elastography and volume navigation. Finally, we pride ourselves on our education platform through our loyalty clubs, where you can access webinars, white papers and video tutorials to help promote self-learning.